Yeah, yeah. Why you keep on? Why you keep on talking on my name? Like, on that dick track, I kick you out the group. You was sucking on my dick with some soup. Nigga was playing Roblox with some food. Fat ass nigga, have a soft mom. Nigga sucking on my cock with a Glock 9. I don't know that it exists, but that nigga died, he sucking my dick. Right. He was sucking on my cock. I hit him on his left hook. Nigga, it was rock. Brass knuckles, it was hard. Soft and hard. Hit him in his car.